Log in to ZeroSnap application using the user credentials. Once logged in, you can see the dashboard with the total guest and pending ID verification details along with the most recent activities performed inside the application. Next, go to Master's menu and click on User Master where you can create users. Under that, you can go to FRO Master where you can enter your priorities FRO credentials and save them. There is a notification master which you can set as an escalation matrix in case if the front office person misses to fill out the FRO check-in or check-out, and notifications can be sent to the higher managers at corresponding times so that this issue can be prevented. Next, click on Guest Check-in menu which will open the screen in a new tab. Select the corresponding document, passport, and upload the passport image and click on Extract Data which will extract the data into the text fields. Then upload the visa and do the same process as above. When you submit the data, it will show an error if the visa or passport data has been expired. Else this will save the data successfully. Then go to the guest list menu and click on the guest name and it will open the guest detail page. You can select the profile picture from the scanned ID card, passport, and then click on Set as Profile Picture which will save the profile picture in the correct size which the C-Form website requires you to do. Then open the Google Chrome extension and click on Open Form CFRRO website link which will open the form website in a new tab. Click on the extension again in the new tab and then click on the link. Click here to assign FRO credentials which will autofill in your saved FRO credentials. Enter the CAPTCHA and then log in to the FRRO website and go to the Form C page. Click on the extension again and then click against the corresponding guest name which will then fill in the appropriate fields along with the photo details. You can temporarily save the data and an application number will be generated which can be saved to the extension by clicking Open the extension again and then typing in the application number against the check-in button and then save the data. The details can be seen in the FRRO list menu with the status and the user who has updated the status. Same process for the FRRO checkout and the details can be verified from the FRRO list menu. We can see the FRRO check-in checkout status of the guests in the FRRO lists menu. You can go to Guest Report menu to see the guest details and download if required. You can see all the log activity by clicking on the Logs API Logs menu. The application license and usage details can be seen from the Product License menu.